And another thing about hornbills, they're a pretty good catch. Good job. Welcome to our hornbill bachelorette pad. And this right here is the lovely Biru. Biru got her name because it actually means blue. And one of her favourite foods is actually blueberries. But as she's got older, she's really transitioned into loving Morio worms. Biru here is a female because she's got this nice black beak. Males have a much more striking big white beak. The reason for that horn is to act a bit like a foghorn. It makes them super loud. It's hollow, so when they're making their loud noises to try and attract a partner over, it actually projects that volume. It goes really, really loud. So another really unique thing about these girls and why we love them so much is that they actually hatched out in the same year, but from 2 different clutches of eggs from the same parents, which is something we'd never seen with this species before. So that does make them extra special for us here. Another reason why we love them so much.